Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheena with She is Fab, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I do a wash and go on my TWA, on my teeny weeny afro. I only use 2 products to define my curls. I recently big chopped my hair. I actually permed it. I cut the perm out, so I did another semi big chop, and now I'm going to let it grow out. So the 2 products that I use are coconut oil and Eco Styler gel. So if you want to see how I do my wash and goes, then keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take about a quarter size of coconut oil, and I rub it together in my hands, and then I distribute it throughout my hair. I rub it in really good, guys. I massage my scalp. Yeah, I just get that stuff in there because my hair can be on the dry side, so I have to add the oils, you know, to keep it shiny, and of course, you know, to add a little bit of extra moisture. Now, I did deep condition my hair before I did my wash and go, and I also did a co-wash, which is regular conditioner. So I just added a little bit more coconut oil, and I'm just finger detangling and finger combing my hair to get it ready for the Eco Styler gel. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to add the Eco Styler gel. So I take a generous amount. I'm going to show you the amount, and then I rub it together, and then I start adding that to the ends of my hair first. So once I add it to the ends, I start to distribute it evenly, get those edges because those are important, and then I shingle. My hair is not long, as you can see. It is a TWA, but the method to how I get my curls defined is shingling. So I take it and I run it through my fingers, and I do it kind of in sections. I do the back, then I do the sides, and then I'm going to do the top. So my method is shingling, and I know it looks like I'm pulling on my hair, but trust me guys, I'm not pulling on my hair. My hair is thick, so I have to make sure that when I shingle, okay? No playing around. So let me get to shingling. Okay, so right here is where I'm creating a part because I'm going to get ready to style it. But before I style it, I take my rat tail comb and I comb through what I've already shingled to make sure that the oils and the Eco Styler gel has been distributed evenly, and then I will go back through and shingle some more. But at this point, the curls are very defined. If you ask me, the comb actually defines them a little bit more. Now, once my hair grows out, I will start using a Denman brush. But right now, the shingling method and the method that I use with my fingers works just fine because my curls are tight, guys. They are tight. So I really don't need a brush or another tool to make the curls even tighter. So I'm just going back through, just adding a little bit more product just in case I comb any out. And so the way that I style my hair is I have to lay the sides down because I don't really have a shape right now. I don't want to get my hair cut right now or shaped because it's really not that long, and the way that I shape it, it just works for me right now. I will get a diva cut. I've had several diva cuts. If you have been following me on Instagram for a while, I've had a diva cut 3 times. So I will probably get a diva cut at the end of winter. My hair does grow fast, so y'all, I will have a little bit of hang time probably by the end of December. So I'm just doing my little sideburns. I am not the queen of laying edges. I probably could have gotten my daughter Shelby to come and lay those edges for me, but you know, the way that I do it, it works for me. So so yeah, I'm just doing a little bit more shingling, making sure everything looks perfect. So yeah. And guys, I'm sorry if I keep looking in the camera. I was more so looking at the camera to make sure that you guys could see what I was doing. I know it looks weird, but I apologize. And so yeah, I'm going to style the top, comb through the top and shingle at the top a little bit. And then I'm going to get my cowlicks, because I do have 2. One on either side of my forehead, and y'all, those have just been there for years. It looks like I don't have any edges where my cowlicks are, but I do, and I'm going to cover them up right now. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, if you've made it to the end, because we're almost to the end, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to become a She Is Fab member. Like, share, and comment. And if you like these videos, let me know in the comments and I can do more. I know my channel is mainly thrifting and style, but I definitely want to share my natural hair journey with you guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, show you guys the back of my hair, and then I also added a clip in at work in the daylight, just to show you how defined and pretty the curls came out. Okay, so I'm going to end it here, and you guys have a fantastic day. Bye. So here is a quick look at my hair in the daylight. It was still dark outside when I recorded the video. But yeah, it's very shiny. The curls are very defined. And the shingling method will be the method that I use until it grows. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.